have my fun in cosmetology school, and I graduate from cosmetology school, and immediately I'm out in my own studio. I wanted to do hair replacement. So for me to have my own studio was it was a huge blessing. I loved it, and I was ready to rock and roll. So I worked there in my own studio for a while. I rented studio space from some other stylists in the building when they weren't using theirs. Eventually I got busy enough that I needed to have my own studio space. So I got my own studio space and I found somebody to rent from me. And then ultimately I ended up getting just my own studio space. And that was called Personal Hair Therapy. And I did that for 15 years. And I met a lot of women over the course of that time. I was able to help a lot of women with their hair loss and finding solutions that made them look and feel more like themselves. And I'll tell you what, I love a good transition. I did so many. I would do the transformation. My client would leave and I would usually walk her out. It's not just like a cut and cut, like you're spending several hours at a time with your clients. And so I would walk her out and I would come back into my studio and I would cry because it was powerful. The way that you can be a part of changing somebody's life. Meeting women from everywhere who are experiencing, the same thing that I was experiencing is just a gift.